In this video, we're basically going to show you how you can tune Showcase back into your free-to-air satellite receiver. Okay, I'm talking here at the start of April 2013, and basically Showcase have changed the frequency. This is actually the second change in quick succession, so it may have caught some people on the hop. So I'm just going to basically show how we can tune it back in. Okay, so I'm making this video on a Zora 9000 Plus combo receiver. The settings should be the same on all free-to-air satellite receivers, but the procedure might be slightly different. And if you look in the video user manuals section of our website, for any box that we've ever sold over the years, there'll be a video showing you the procedure for doing this. Okay, so the video you should be looking for in question would be something like how to manually tune in a satellite channel, or how to add a transponder, something like this. Okay, so I'll just kick this off here by going into the menu. I want to arrow over to installation and then arrow down as far as TP list. I'll just go in there. So this brings us into our transponder list. So what we want to do at this point is simply add a transponder. So we'll press the green button to add, and the frequency we're looking for is 11345. Okay, and the symbol rate is 27500, and the polarity is H for horizontal. Okay, so at this point then all we have to do is simply press the save button, and what it'll do at this point, it'll give us one of two options. It'll either, detect that this frequency has never been added, and it'll just add it to our channel list and to our transponder list and bring us straight to it, or it'll detect that this transponder is already on the box, and on this particular box, the Zora 9000 Plus, what it'll give us the option then is it'll say it already exists and do I want to jump straight to it. So I'll just press save and see what happens. So it says TP already exists, select yes and jump to existing TP. So I'll select yes and it brings me straight to it. Now, not all boxes have this function, and what would happen is if it already existed, what you would do is just exit out of that last screen that I was on and come back to your transponder list, and you would just manually scroll through your transponder list to find that particular frequency, and then do your scan on it. Okay, so anyway, we're here now, and what we want to do is press the blue button here to search. So what we want to do here is we want to select free to air only, yes, because it's not a subscription channel, and you can scan the TV and radio if you want, but it's only the TV channel I'm particularly interested in, and you can leave network searches no, and you can press OK. So at this point then we'll kick it off, and this will be an extremely quick process because you're only scanning one transponder, and what you'll find is it'll bring in any channels that are on that transponder, not just the one that you want. Okay, so and what it'll do then generally is add it to the end of your channel list, anything that it finds. So I'm just going to search is ended, press yes. Okay, so I'm going to exit out at that point, and it'll bring me back to live TV, and you can see there the channels have been added on. So you can see Showcase is added there now. So what you can do at that point then is basically you can sort and delete the channels that you don't want, and move the ones that you do want into the position that you want. Obviously what you'd want to do is delete the old Showcase off your free-to-air satellite receiver, and then more than likely move your the new Showcase into its old position. So there's other videos in our series for the Zora 9000 Plus showing you how you can sort and delete your channels. It's a very quick process and very easy. And also for any box that we've ever sold, there will be check out our video guides section, and this will show you how you can manually move and delete channels on that particular box. Okay, so that's basically it. It's just basically how to tune back in Showcase on a free-to-air satellite receiver.